Hi, welcome back to Pips, February 25th, 26th. And today, this one was definitely a tricky one. This one definitely had me thinking about what I should do. It's for squares. That's funny. With a bunch of furs in them, too. It was insane. Decided to go down here so I can do the ones for that fur, and then have the threes for that equal sign. I go for the fur 0 and the fur 3, but I removed them because it didn't seem like it was right. And I decided to clear the bird so I can try again. And this time have the threes over there with the 3-2 and the 3-5. So I get the 2-0. And then the for 3, the for 0, and then the for 6. But I also realize I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. I go for the 5-2, the 0-0, the 3-1 for the 1-1, and then the 5-1. But then I was left with the big numbers. So this time I decided I'm going to try and get rid of the 5s and the 6s first, since they can't fit into any of those furs. So if I can get rid of them early, I will be left with the smaller numbers to work with. So I try and go for this formation, going for the 5-2. But I didn't know what to do after that. I didn't know what 2 I would go for after that. So I go for the 2-6 up there for the 4-3. And then I felt stuck again, thinking about what I could do. I removed that one, and all in the top right square. I put the 2-3 to see if that would work. But I'm very confused as to what I'm supposed to do. I go for the 6 for the 1-1, the 0-2, and the 1-3, so I get all that up there. I go for the 4-3, thinking about it. I rotate that and move it over there. I rotate that one too, so I get that 3, so I can work with all this. Putting the 5-3, and then the 5-1, the 6-2, the 2-0, the 1-3 for the third, the first 0, so I get that one, but then I rotate that one and move it over there to try and get that foot, but then I realize that won't work. So I go for the foot and put a bunch of zeros there, and I go for the 1-1, the other one, and I move that one right there, and then double 3, and then the first 0 for the end. 12, 22. A bit of a long one, but it was pretty nice.